This video shows how to create a recipe using the Converge Oven with Deluxe control. Creating a recipe consists of setting the cooking stage parameters, including temperature, time, humidity, and fan speed, setting an action step, if desired, such as adding an ingredient, naming the recipe, adding a description to the recipe, adding a photo to the recipe, and adding the recipe to a category. To create a recipe, do the following. Touch the Recipes icon. The Browse Recipes screen displays. Touch the plus icon. The step type screen displays. Touch a cooking mode or an action step icon to choose the step type. Touch Recipe Name. The recipe name screen displays. Enter the recipe name. Touch the check mark to return to the Create Recipe screen. Touch Recipe Description. The recipe description screen displays. Enter the recipe description. Touch the check mark to return to the Create Recipe screen. Touch the cooking time. Enter the value using the keypad. Touch the check mark. Touch the humidity icon. Enter the humidity percentage using the keypad. Touch the check mark. Touch the chamber temperature set point icon. Enter the chamber temperature set point using the keypad. Touch the check mark. Touch the fan speed icon to set the fan speed. Enter the fan speed using the keypad. Touch the check mark. Touch the plus icon to add an additional stage or action. Touching Action adds an action step to the recipe. Add a description to your action step. An action adds manual tasks to be completed during the recipe, such as loading the food or adding an ingredient. Add any remaining actions or cooking steps to your recipe. Scroll to Pictures to add a photo to the recipe. Photos can be added through Chef Link or uploaded via USB. Scroll to Categories to add the recipe to a category. Select the categories you want to add the recipe to. Touch the Save icon when finished to save the recipe. A new recipe has been created. For more how-to videos, please visit our website.